Today, you will learn two different methods to quickly change background color in Photoshop. Okay, so for the first method, we've got this beautiful image here and it's very easy to do. Just come down to your new adjustment layer icon and select hue and saturation. Now click on this hand icon here and bring in the sample tool and then sample a color from the background. And now you can drag the hue to any color you want at all and you realize only the background color changes. It doesn't affect the color of our subject. But it's not always this easy for every single image. And I'm going to explain why to you in the second method. Okay, so let's move on to the second method as well. Okay, so for the second method, we have this image here and I want to explain to you why the first method doesn't always work. So let's use the same method. Come down to your new adjustment layer icon and select hue and saturation. Now let's click on the hand icon and sample as we did in the first example. Now when you change the color, you realize not only the background color changes but also the color of our subject changes. Her face is taking some of the color. So the first method wouldn't work for this image. So let me teach you the second method as well. So for the second method, we are going to make a selection of the subject. So come to your tools and select the quick selection tool. Come up here and click select subject. Now the selection looks good but it still needs a little fixing. So I'm going to use the quick selection tool to fix it very fast. Okay. Now with your active selection, come down to your new adjustment layer icon and select hue and saturation again. Now make sure the mask of the hue and saturation is selected and then click Ctrl+I. Now select the hue and saturation again and now you can drag the hue value to whatever you want and you realize only the background color changes and this is just awesome. If you made it to the end of this video, I'm sure you've learned something today. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome tutorials. Never stop creating and I'll see you in my next video.